Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to create a doorknob. And when we finish, we're going to end up with something that looks like this. And you can do this different ways. You can make it a latch handle and a round base or a square base. We're going to do a square base with a round doorknob. Okay, this is what we want when we're done. Okay, so I'm going to delete this. Now let's get started. Got a rectangle tool, draw a rectangle, something like that. That looks good. Let's move it down here. Then I'm going to grab my 2-point arc. Then I'm going to find the corner here and make a tangent to edge. I want it to be purple, which is perfect. Then I'll come here and double click, come down here, double click, come down here, double click, and then we'll erase away this section here. And then we're going to pull this up, something like that. Then I'm going to select the face. Got my selection tool, select the face, grab my scale tool, and I'm going to scale in just the top face. And I'm just going to grab this on this green scale at the opposite point and pull it in this way and snap it to 0.95. And then do the same thing at the top, drag it inwards. 0.95. And then on the right-hand side, drag it inwards, 0.95, and the bottom as well. Click and drag inwards, 0.95. There we go. So now we've got that plate. We're going to deselect that. And I'm going to select the face again, grab my offset tool this time. And I hate the way they rotate all the tools in here. I just wish all the tools were up, but we have to deal with the way it works. And then I'm going to click and drag inwards, make another plate. I'm going to deselect everything, select that plate, and I'm going to pull this up into something like that. That looks pretty good. All right, now I'm going to select all this and group it. Right click, group. And then we're going to draw we need to find a circle and put it in the center. Now let's grab the pencil tool and let's see if we can't mark it across like that. And then let's mark it across this way. Okay, and then from there we can hit escape if your pencil's still snapping. Then we'll grab our circle tool and draw a circle from the center out like this. That looks good. Now we'll erase these guidelines here that we created. I guess we could have used guides here if I used a pencil. Okay, and then I'm going to select that, pull that up just a little bit. There we go, that looks good. Now, we're going to grab our pencil tool and we want to find the center here and go straight up on the blue axis, go over on the green axis, about right here, and then come down on the blue axis. And you'll see it gives us the inference point where it's going to snap directly across. And we have this side plate here to create our door handle. Okay. So now we'll grab the circle tool and we'll come here and draw it from the edge out, something like this. Now we're going to delete this edge here. Now, since this circle is snapping to that plate, we can select it, grab our scale tool, and squash it like that. It has to be still snapped to it. And that looks about right. I'm going to deselect that, grab my pencil tool, and I want to find about where this is going to go straight down on the blue axis, so I have something like that. Then I'm going to delete this, just a line here, and then delete all this. And then we've got a little piece here we can delete. And now we're going to run the follow me tool. So we're going to select this plate here, grab our follow me tool, click on this, there's our doorknob. Okay? Now, what about making the doorknob a little bit more ornate, of giving it like a little button that you can push on top? We're going to hit undo. We're going to come in here and grab the pencil tool. And we're going to click at the top, and we're going to click and come down and go over. Make sure it's on that green axis. Then I'm going to draw another one from about here up to about right there. Make sure that's on the green axis like that. And I'm going to delete this, and do my follow me again. And now I've got this little knob on the end. We end up with a weird shape on top. I don't know where that came from. We can delete that. Okay. And there's our doorknob. And then we can grab our materials, put down the shift key. Where's our paint bucket? Hold down the shift key and paint the whole thing metallic. And there's our doorknob. Pretty nice looking doorknob. Okay. All right. All right. Join you for another session in a few.